Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Rumi and today I am going to be sharing with you my beautiful Mekhela Chadar collection. But first of all, a very happy Magh Bihu to all my Assamese viewers and a very happy Pongal, Makar Sankranti and Lohri to all of you who are celebrating out there. Thank you so much for watching, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my Mekhela Chadar collection, and also I'm going to be showing you what are the different components in a Mekhela Chadar and how to wear it properly. So if you guys are considering to buy a Mekhela Chadar, this is the best video for you guys, and I hope it really helps you to make that decision of yours. And the purpose of making this video is to create awareness about this beautiful weave, as I'm also from Assam and I love Mekhela Chadar. I am really happy to do this. Thank you so much for watching. So yeah, if you guys are interested, keep on watching. Now this first one is a beautiful white color, simple Assamese silk Mekhela Chadar. It is a pat silk and I really love it because it is so beautiful, so unique. I really love the traditional multicolored motifs all around the Mekhela Chadar, and the good thing about it is that it is very lightweight, very easy to wear. I find it much easier than sari. Believe me guys, it takes me very less time to wear a Mekhela Chadar, and also it goes with any simple Assamese jewelry or gold jewelry even. So here, as you guys can see, I'm wearing simple gold jewelry. And the next one is this beautiful dark green colored Assamese Mekhela Chadar again. um, it is really beautiful. It has beautiful gold and silver zari work all over the Mekhela Chadar, and here I have worn simple silver jewelry. Later on I'm going to show you how to wear this Mekhela Chadar. Stay tuned for that. This one is a beautiful 23-year-old Moga silk Mekhela Chadar. You'll get more information about it on my Instagram. Next up, I'm wearing this dual colored Pat silk Mekhela Chadar, and I really love it because it's so bright. I love the contrasting colors. Again, I have kept the look very simple, wearing silver jewelry and pearl jewelry. You guys can see it makes such a huge difference. It just pops in the beautiful outfit. Now, it has been snowing in New York since a long time, and I really wanted to have my personal Bollywood diva moment in the snow. So yeah, I went ahead and created this video, which I already posted on my Instagram. Don't forget to check it out. Next up, I'm wearing this beautiful light pink colored Pat silk Mekhela Chadar, which was a gift from my Choti Masi on my wedding day. She said she wanted to get me an unusual color. Arn Masi is the best. I really love it because of its beautiful and unique color and the black huta thread and silver guna zari work. So again, I went ahead and clicked my pictures in snow. So yeah, it's so beautiful. I really love how it turned out. Isn't it magical and dreamy? I just want to look at the beautiful snow and the pictures. Next up, I'm wearing this beautiful black colored cotton Mekhela Chadar. It is a missing Mekhela Chadar which I purchased online, and Missing is a very popular tribe of Assam. They are known for the unique motifs on Mekhela Chadar. I love them for their simplicity, unique and sophisticated look. Now, since it is a pure cotton Mekhela Chadar, it gives warmth during winters and it is cool during summers. It is widely loved by all the ladies of Assam. Next up is again a same missing Mekhela Chadar but in blue color, and I really love it. Again, I have paired it with simple jewelry, kept the look very simple, and now I'm wearing it in snow and really enjoying the beautiful weather. Doesn't it look awesome in snow? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Next up, I'm wearing this beautiful pure cotton Gamosa style Assamese Mekhela Chadar with white base and purple huta thread work all over. The purple motifs are dhul pepa, these are musical instruments, and japi designs, which are beautifully made all across the chadar and the lower part of mekhela. Japi is a beautiful traditional hat made up of tightly woven bamboo or cane and palm leaf. These are traditional Assamese motifs which represents the beautiful and unique culture of Assam. Uh, I have again kept this look very simple. Now I have more Mekhela Chadars, but I don't think I would be able to finish it in this part. So I'll make a different part later on. Stay tuned for that. Okay, so now comes the most important part, the different components in a Mekhela Chadar. So first is the blouse. Next up is a Mekhela. This is how the Mekhela looks. So it is stitched and it looks exactly like a cylindrical skirt. So these are the motifs up close. This one has gold and silver zari motifs all over on the bottom and bigger motifs at the top as well. Now I am going to show you how to wear the mekhela on top of a jeans, but it is the same as we wear on top of a petticoat. Now you have to make pleats according to your waist size. So here I am making just 2 pleats, and just remember that your mekhela pleats should be in the opposite direction of your pallu. So our pallu is on the left side and the pleats should exactly be on the right side. And that is how the chadar looks. Isn't it simply gorgeous? It has beautiful silver and gold motifs. Now, the difference between a chadar and a sari is that in a chadar, you'll see the exact same palla on both sides. Can you see? Yes. Now I'll show you why is it like that in a chadar. And now that is how the chadar looks draped. Isn't it simply gorgeous? Now I quickly went ahead and changed, and I'm wearing it on top of a regular petticoat with my matching blouse, and I secured my chadar with my blouse with the help of a safety pin. And now I'm going to show you the purpose of the same design of the palla that we saw earlier. So that is how the pleats on the chadar should look like. See it carefully. So that is the correct way. So you have to fold it twice, and here I'm securing it with the help of a pin. And that is how your chadar should look like. I really love the draping style. It's so beautiful, so unique. And now I'm all ready with my Mekhela Chadar draped on. And this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with all your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Also, let me know in the comment section below which one of these looks was your favorite. I would love to hear that out. And if you guys have not yet followed me on my Instagram and on my Facebook page, don't forget to follow me there, because a lot of awesome stuff is already happening there, and I'm sure you guys don't want to miss on that. And I will link both my Instagram and my Facebook page in the description box below for you guys. Don't forget to check it out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, bye bye, and have a beautiful day ahead. Bye.